Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ramp login problems, company and access errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection to ensure you are online. Open your web browser and navigate to the ramp login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you encounter an error message, double-check that your username and password are correctly entered. Ensure that your keyboard's caps lock is not enabled, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you still cannot log in, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your registered email address. Once you receive the password reset email, follow the instructions provided. After resetting your password, return to the login page and enter your new credentials. If you still experience problems, clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, access your browser settings, locate the privacy section, and select the option to clear browsing data. After clearing the cache and cookies, restart your web browser. Try logging in again with your username and password. If the problem persists, check if your account is active and not locked out. Contact your company's IT support or Ramp's customer. Provide them with any error messages you received for quicker resolution. If you are accessing Ramp from a corporate network, ensure that there are no firewall or VPN issues blocking access. Attempt to log in from a different device or network to rule out device-specific problems. Following these steps should help you resolve Ramp login problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.